Welcome back to Dr. APJ Nursing Academy, Trivandrum, Kerala. One mark challenge for Kerala PSC DME Staff Nurse Exam. Today's important topic is variables in research. Once again, today's important topic is variables in research. First, what is variable? Main characteristics of a research is called variables. Main characteristics of a research is called variables. Next, main feature of a variable. Main feature of a variable. Variable are the subject to change and have more than one value at the end of the research. Once again, main feature is are subject to change and can have more than one value at the end of the research. Next, types of variable. Again, types of variable. First, independent variable or cause variable. Independent variable or cause variable. This variable is the variable manipulated or changed by the researcher during study. Independent variable or cause variable are manipulated or changed by the result. Next, dependent variable or effect variable. Again, dependent variable or effect variables. These variables are obtained or result after changing a independent variables. Once again, dependent variable or effect variables are obtained after change in independent variables. Okay, I think clear. Next type of variable is extraneous variable. Next type of variable is extraneous variable. The extraneous variable or end variables are that may affect the research outcome, that may affect the research outcome but have not been adequately considered during the research. Once again, variables that may affect the research outcome, it means end of the research, affected by extraneous variable and not have been adequately considered initially for this variable. Okay, I think clear. Next, demographic variables. Another type of classification is demographic variables. Demographic variables are the subject variable are collected to describe the sample. Demographic variables are the subject that are collected to describe the sample. Okay, for example, gender, age, occupation, marital status, income are the demographic variables. Next, classification of demographic variables. Dichotomous variable, trichotomous variable and multiple variable. Dichotomous variable is have two options for the data collection for gender, male or female, and trichotomous variable have three options in data collection. For example, a religion, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, like that. Next, multiple variable. It means more than three variables. Once again, more than three variables. For example, blood group A, AB, B, O, like that. Okay, I think clear for the demographic variable. Next, measuring variables or quantified variables. Measuring variables or quantified variables. That we get a measuring by values and scales. It includes 4 levels of measurement. It includes nominal variables, ordinal variables, interval variables, and ratio variables. Once again, nominal scale variables, or it is based on number based variables. Next, ordinal variables, it means it is based on rank order. Next, interval variable, it is based on rating scale. Next, a ratio scale variable or time based variable. Okay, this is the classification of all types of variable in research. Thank you for watching this short video. If you like this video, please share your friends and relatives, those who are writing 2021 DME Staff Nurse exam. Thank you.